Hello guys, how are you all? Today I learned this amazing text effect in Canva. So let's start. Select the page, have aspect ratio 1280 by 270 pixel. Then add a heading and write the forest name. Then select the font size, font style, font term and resize that heading. Then change the color of that heading and add the background color yellow for more visibility. Then search the tree in the graphics option. To show the more forest effect. Then duplicate that. Again change the background color to black for more visibility. Set properly. Set like this. Now download that image. Then go to next page and drag that downloaded image. Remove the background. Now add the element of forest video. Then search the video for jungle and set that heading properly. Here we go. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel. Your support motivate, like and comment the video. Bye bye.